In this lesson, we will take a look at how to draw Lewis dot diagrams for ionic compounds. There are three components that encompass Lewis dot diagrams for ionic compounds. The drawings are made up of the element symbol surrounded by dots representing the valence electrons. If drawing an ion, the drawing must be surrounded by square brackets with the resulting charge labeled. For example, the Lewis dot diagram for the potassium atom would look like this. The element symbol for potassium, K, with one dot representing its one valence electron. For the fluorine ion, on the other hand, there would be 8 valence electrons. Then, the drawing is encompassed in square brackets with the charge of -1 labeled at the top to show that the neutral fluorine atom has gained 1 electron. Let's now look at an example of the ionic compound potassium oxide. Looking at the Lewis dot diagrams for both elements, the two potassium atoms each have 1 valence electron they would like to lose, while the oxygen atom has 2 unpaired electrons in its valence shell. Thus, both potassium atoms will give up their electrons to the oxygen atom. The resulting Lewis dot diagram will look like this. Beginning with a potassium ion with no valence electrons to show and a charge of +1, followed by the oxygen ion with 8 valence electrons and a charge of -2, ending with another potassium ion. As you can see, the overall charge, that is +1 plus -2 plus +1, is equal to 0.